boy!
G'day guys, in this video we're changing the cabin filter. Got a brand new one here, we don't need any tools. Cost you about $33. Pretty easy one to do, so we'll get into it. Cabin filter is located just behind the glove box. Now we just need to push in both sides here. There's two stopping tabs to get past. It drops down and there is your cabin filter. Now we remove this to get the cabin filter out. So on the right hand side we have a clip. Squeeze that, pull this out. Here's your cabin filter. This just pulls out. You can see how filthy that is. Now the instructions on this new filter show that this face is facing outwards. It has an arrow pointing up. You can see it's got this little tab to pull it back out. So that is the way that this one is intended to go in. This filter is a little bit different from the factory one. It won't sit widthways. The filter will go lengthways. Now the airflow direction is from top to bottom. So we have this treated side here on the top and the clear side on the bottom. So I clip that back in. That clips in there and holds it in. Your glove box, you can just push back up. Alright, so that's the cabin filter. That was about 40,000 kilometers on the odometer. Pretty filthy, had some leaves in there and everything. So I recommend just changing it once a year to keep the air in the cab flowing more freely because it won't be clogged with dirt and it'll keep the air a bit cleaner. Pew! This car's done 40 billion millimeters, which is quite a lot of millimeters. That's 40,000 Ks.